Hey y'all, what's going on? I'm back. It's been about a year since I posted. I'm sorry, but I'm back. I wanted to pop in real quick and let you guys know about how important it is to stay hydrated in general, but especially when you have Locs. 2021 has been it's been a year and it's taught me a lot. I have learned a lot of lessons the hard way, but I'm here to tell you guys that boom, you got it. Keep going. Don't stop. It get better. And you can apply that to your whole life. Hydration is very important. You need to drink as much water as you can. I'm dealing with the issue right now with my Locs. Nothing major, just hydration problems. I went camping this year and it was not something I wanted to do, but 2021, the way that it was going, it forced me to do it. I went camping for about 2 weeks, 12 days to be exact. Stayed in a tent, didn't have no hair products, didn't have anything to protect my Locs, but I was out there. I tried to drink as much water as I could, but of course it was the summertime and I was kind of outbeated by the sun and the humidity. And I probably still said that wrong, but you know what I'm talking about. It's awkward and hard sometimes for me to say words, but that's the English dictionary for us. So I ended up going camping, was staying in a tent, woke up in the morning, right? My hair felt the best that I ever felt. It's something about the morning times, and it's early in the morning. Something happens to the earth. I don't know what it is. Dew is everywhere. It's coating it. You need that coating. Go outside if you can. Get some of that. But if you can't do that, if you can't go outside early in the morning to try to catch some of that natural hydration, follow up every day with some oils, hair food, that's what I use, and water. I spray my Locs every single day with water. And I'm trying to be better and stay consistent, and these videos that I'm making for YouTube will help me stay consistent with that. And I just wanted to let you guys know, so who's ever out there battling with hydration issues and Locs that feel dry and crunchy, you're not getting enough water intake. You're not doing enough to hydrate yourself. So try going out in the morning. If you're having an issue like I am with hydration, try going out in the mornings. You know, my wife, she drinks coffee, she drinks tea, so sometimes we'll sit out on our balcony and we'll do that. We'll just sit, relax at the fire pit, and let nature do its thing. And for the water, I used to have some huge goal where I would try to drink about 16 bottles a day and yada yada yada. That does not work for me. What works for me is being better than I was the day before. So drink, if I have a goal saying drink one more bottle than what I did yesterday, that'll be my goal for the next day. I'm not going based off of any number or anything like that. I just want to be consistent. Moderation is key. Consistency is key. Get that water in. Water will help your Locs 100%. Water got me through 5 years of Locs, but camping got me in this little mishap. So the things that I'm doing to deal with my hydration issue, I am going out in the morning and I'm drinking more water than I did the day before. So if this video helps anybody, this is just a little Loc tip. Put it in the comments down below. Try it. I say give it a week and you should see a difference. I saw that nature was doing something to my hair after being out there for 2 days. So it works. Sometimes you just need to go back to the basics. Natural is the best way. Don't forget to hydrate yourselves, guys. It's really, really important. I also have made a new Instagram channel for my locks, specifically just for my locks. So if you want more tips, if you want videos, if you want more interaction, check out my Instagram page at Daj Locs. That's DAJLOCS. You will find videos from my whole lock journey. You will see tips. You will see recommendations on what I use. I'm sharing my journey publicly to the whole world just so I can help one person. I have more content coming. I have videos coming. I'm going to be sharing my wife's lock journey on this page. So much more. I'm not just doing locks. My YouTube channel is going to be a platform where I can share all of my creative journeys. So stay tuned if you're interested. Thank you guys for staying subscribed. Shout out to my 50 subscribers I have had since the beginning. You guys have been there. You haven't given up. I see the comments. I can see people watching. I really appreciate it. I'm going to continue to post. Follow me on Instagram. If you have me on Instagram, that's where you're gonna find the most content as far as more tips and details, the little details. But YouTube, I will be coming here to post everything. I have pages for everything that I'm doing, so I'll slowly bring it to YouTube and it'll just be in the loop. Catch you guys on my next video. Bye.